So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So after a very long period of time of consolidation and little bit of accumulation, so finally since 2 days the stock has started showing little bit of momentum, and today we have seen 6% positive movement in the stock and it has approached the 134 rupees level. So there are few updates related to this particular stock. So two important updates are present. So we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. And after that, we'll go to the technical charts to find out what are the best levels that we need to focus, especially for short term followed by long term as well. So previously when we discussed, so that time stock was in complete consolidation phase, accumulation was present. So it is a time taking stock, and especially this is a stock for long term and it has some very good potential. So on that basis only we used to discuss on a regular note. So now if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for short term. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first discussing about the updates which are running around the company. So first update majorly it was related to CRISIL's rating. So we know CRISIL is one of a most recognized global company related to any ratings and analysis. So whatever the company tries to provide, we know how much impact would present in the market. So one such rating was provided to Tata Power as well, which is called ESG score, which is environment followed by social governance score. So it gives ratings to all the power companies which are listed in our stock market, and it has given Tata Power as one of the top scorer with very good fundamentals and financials. So all these things we know has a good impact in our market also. So on that basis, so this is one important thing that we need to remember. So already we are also aware that fundamental wise followed by financials, the stock is improving and future is also present in various segments, but only it has taken little bit of time to have a very good consolidation before giving any sort of big move. So we'll discuss all the things. So now let's discuss about second important thing. Okay, so next moving towards the second important thing that we need to remember in this particular month, that is Tata Power would sell almost 100% stake in Trust Energy Resources, which is a wholly owned subsidiary, and how much you can see for $285.64 million. So this particular transaction is also expected to be completed by August 10th. So more we can expect 8 days are present. So on or before that, so this particular transaction of selling 100% stake would also happen. So now Tata Power will have its own scope in order to scale and also develop consistently on a regular basis. So these are the few things that are running around the company and which made the stock look little bit of bullish, and as usual accumulation was present since many months, and finally today it has given some sort of momentum. So now let's try to compare the delivery section. So there also we'll get some clarity, and after that we'll move towards the technical charts. Okay, so if you see the day-to-day wise deliveries, so there you can see on 30th July we have seen 37.9% deliveries, and the stock has given only 1.8% positive momentum. So if you see the history of the stock, you will see since many weeks it was not able to give any huge momentum, that is crossing the 2% level. So it was traveling in that particular region. So deliveries wise, you can see last session we have seen some very good increment in percentage wise, followed by traded quantity also has spiked a little bit. So ultimately today we have seen some good buying volume in the morning session, and today after the closing sessions also we have seen some increase in the price as well. So now let's go to technical chart, since many are having doubts related to technicals whether they can hold that is whether they can add at the current levels and what would be the next immediate targets. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical chart. So first we'll try to discuss on weekly chart time frame. So once you see the weekly chart, you can see a crossover has happened earlier, but after that we know little bit of time consuming process happened and many people expected that it would show continuous momentum. So no, it is a I can say it is a long term stock. So long term stocks take little bit of time, accumulation happens, and again they start giving a breakout and new rally begins. So this is what a set of pattern happens. So few stocks after crossover they go up, few stocks take little bit of time. So it is a completely matter of patience. So people have patience, so they keep on averaging at those particular levels. So whatever we have discussed near 119 or 120, so many times it has given the opportunity. So now once you see the weekly chart, you can see almost it has approached the resistive region and the breakout is observed. So once it closes above 135 rupees region, so you can expect a very smooth movement towards 150 rupees level. So very clearly you can see the pivot point is present at 146. So 150 can be achieved. So whoever are planning to take this particular stock, so you need to watch out the current levels, that is between 130 and 135. So these are going to be very important. So coming to money flow index on weekly chart time frame, you can see that is near 72. It is in a very good favorable region, not even in overbought region. Okay, so now let's go to daily chart. Okay, so now in daily chart wise, you can see especially for swing traders, you will understand, see the stock where it was taking the support. So exactly from the 50-day exponential moving average, as we discussed in all the videos. So from there we have seen a good buying momentum, and today, as I told, 135 above closing is going to be very important. And in the coming sessions also, if it crosses 135, so definitely you can expect the stock will reach the 150 rupees level. Okay, so money flow index wise in daily chart, it is near 69, so nothing too much worry about that. So only thing is that 135 rupees region is going to be very important. So even you can buy this particular stock for long term, potential is present. And even since many agencies are also telling that among the power companies which are listed in the stock market, so when it is giving a very good rating, so they also believe that the future prospect of the company would increase. So these are the basic details, and further if you are having any queries related to any stock, you can ask in the comment section, and you can also connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.